If you have been a part of the recent layoffs that have taken over the tech industry, this video is for you. It can be really difficult to look at things in a positive light in a situation like this, but this is also a chance for you to take some proactive measures in your professional and your personal life. Here are some smart ways in which you can utilize this time and handle this transition period. When your day-to-day activities aren't keeping you busy, consider the option to freelance. Not only will it help you keep your mind sharp, but it also helps you earn a little extra cash, and a little extra cash never hurts, does it? If you're appearing for interviews every day, then you never know what a recruiter might ask you. So it's always better to brush up your skills on everything that's happening in your line of work. Whether it's brushing up your contacts on LinkedIn or attending events in and around the city, networking is a great way to build some quality and long-lasting professional connections. In fact, every time you step out of the house can be a networking opportunity, and who knows, you might even find a referral out of it. Look at this time as an opportunity to upskill yourself. You can learn some valuable and marketable skills that can help you in your next job. And if you think a career switch is the next best option for you, then consider joining a course which can be an add-on to your current skill sets. After all, polishing up your resume with new skills never hurts, does it? If you are confused about where to start your upskilling journey, then check out some of the comprehensive postgraduate certificate programs offered by UNext Learning. And for more such relatable content, don't forget to follow us.